Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing our review of the Neewer or Neewer NW-700 professional condenser microphone with a 48 volt phantom power supply that comes in the kit, and for £30.99 I think this is an awesome deal. The sound that you listen to at the moment is coming from the shotgun microphone placed on top of the Canon 60D, so we're going to be able to compare what the sounds like off the condenser microphone to what the shotgun microphone's like. So I'm going to put this together now. I'm going to put a little picture of all the gadgets that you get in the box, because I don't like unpacking the boxes because it just takes too long, and basically it is what it is. So here's a picture of all the bits and bobs that you get in the box, and now I'm going to put it together. First things first, you get the arm, which has got springs on it. It's made of steel. It's pretty sturdy for what you need it for, and I'm presuming you could use this for a lot of other things. If you wanted to put like lights and that on it, you could probably use it for that. What I like to do first is you clip the microphone into the spring-loaded shock mount, which hang on, I think I've put that upside down at the moment, and this is how simple it is. You don't need any screwdrivers, nothing like that to put this together. It goes together pretty simple, and they're all hand twisted little adjusters, like angel wing adjuster type of things. Then that gets screwed on top of your arm, the shock mount. So there you go, it's on top, literally seconds. All the wires are colour coded, so you know exactly where you're putting them. This one clips straight into the bottom of the microphone itself. Once I got to this stage, I like to screw the holder onto the back of the desk, which is literally, again, just hand screwed on, nothing special. And it takes this little piece of the extension arm into the holder. Once it's in there, you clamp that up. Your little power supply, I mean, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger than this, like when you see on the image, but it's not. Again, you take the connector from the microphone, and that connects straight into, I think it's this side, like that. You get the microphone jack, this end, that goes into the phantom power supply, and then that's the microphone jack. I like to use this pop cover, but you could use the foam cover that will cover the end of the microphone. Now, whichever takes your fancy, and me, I just like the look of the pop cover because I think it looks a little bit, how can I say, retro-y. That goes on there. You can adjust it to any angle you want. Just move it a little bit further up. So you want to have it covering like that. Stops vibrations. Then last but not least, insert your power supply. There you go. Power's on. Now, all I need to do to change over from the shotgun microphone is plug in the microphone jack from the condenser microphone, and then we'll see the difference in the sound and what it sounds like. And you've just seen that it literally takes minutes. I don't know how long that was, but probably a couple of minutes to put it all together. A couple of minutes to unbox it. If you need to read the instructions are in the box. I'm the type of guy that I don't really like to read instructions, I just like to figure it out, and that was pretty simple to figure out. So I'm going to undo the microphone for the shotgun, the jack for the shotgun microphone, and I want to plug in the condenser microphone now, and you can see the difference. So what you've just seen there, you've been listening to me on the shotgun microphone, which is on top of the Canon 60D, and hopefully the light hasn't changed too much because it came in front of the window and I'm using natural light to shoot this video. But what you're listening to me now is on the Neewer NW-700 professional microphone condenser kit with a 48 volt phantom power pack, which for me, when I found the box, this has literally been one of my best purchases this year so far. I mean, I've honestly cannot believe the sound quality of this microphone. I'm sure there's more expensive microphones out there that don't even sound as good as this. So if you're just after doing a few YouTube videos or Skype calls or any other things that you need an audio, this microphone for $30.99 is perfectly adequate for that sort of thing. Unless you're going to be an opera singer or the next Michael Jackson, then I'm sure this is going to be perfectly adequate. And if you're looking from where to buy it from, you can purchase it from Amazon for $30.99. There's a link in the description below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see any more reviews, press the bell button. And if you'd like to subscribe, I'm grateful for that. And until next time, guys, my name's Craig. This is Gadget King Reviews. And take care. Bye now.